Hello everyone. This is Dr. Pooja Sharma, working as Associate Professor in Department of MBA. Today I am taking the topic leverage. It is the very important topic of financial management. With this, this is the part of the ratio. So the leverage helps in determining or deciding the capital structure of the company. Leverage analysis. Today, I'll discuss the concept of leverage analysis for the business, why it is important. So after studying this topic, you should be able to understand the concept of operating, financial and combined leverage and calculate and interpret a firm's degree of operating, financial and combined leverage. You are able to understand the profitability statement, how it can be used for evaluating the financial decisions, and then you are able to understand what is involved in determining the appropriate amount of financial leverage for a firm. Leverage have the different meanings in different subjects, such as in mechanics. Leverage means an instrument which is used to push up something, to lift up the any heavy object. In financial management, the firm's ability to use the fixed cost funds to magnify the returns to its shareholders or its owners. This concept is used also in financial management because the term leverage is used to describe the firm's ability to use the fixed cost assets or the funds or the increase the return to its shareholders. Leverage have the different meaning. As I told you, the term leverage refers to a relationship between the two variables. And these two variables are interrelated. And we are just checking the variability or the relationship between these two. And these variables can be output, can be sales, cost, and profit. A finance manager can calculate these leverage by applying formula, then use them for taking the decision of a company's in favor of the company's shareholder. How it works actually, whenever the company will increase the debentures in the capital structure, and the debenture is, as you know, the debenture is that instrument on which the company has to pay the fixed cost as in return form. In interest form, and the company has to pay the fixed interest on that. That is the fixed cost for the company. So that will have the impact on the profitability. Either it is either it is affecting the profitability of the equity shareholders in favorable or in opposite return. So you can just see the use of excess debt capital on high fixed cost creates both financial risk and the businesses for the company. As you know, the debenture is that kind of instrument which is bearing the maximum risk for the company, but for the investor purpose, it is bearing a less risk. For calculating the extent of such risk, the concept of leverage is being used. Leverage is an investment strategy for using the borrowed money, specifically the use of various financial instruments or the borrowed capital to increase the potential return of an investment. Leverage can also refers to the amount of debt a firm used to finance the assets. And when one refers to a company property or the investment, highly levered firm, the company which is using the high number of debentures or the maximum amount of debenture in their capital structure, that is called the highly levered firm. It means that the item has more debt than the equity shareholders. Fixed costs are the cost that do not rise or fall with the output or with the production or with the sales. Firms have to pay these fixed costs in form of interest to their debenture holders. Here, you can just see the types of the leverage. There are the three types of the leverage. First is operating leverage, which is used to check the operating efficiency of the company. Next is financial leverage, which is used to check the capital structure of the company. Either the capital structure is favorable for the equity shareholders or not. If the company will increase the debenture, so this is how this is affecting the value of the firm and the cost of capital of the company. And the third is composite leverage. It is also known as the combined leverage. It is the combination of operating and financial leverage. So what we have seen in these slides, the term of the leverage and why it is used. The term of the leverage is it is used in the company for uplifting the debentures in the capital structure of the company, for increasing the number of debentures or the borrowed fund in the capital structure of the company, and whatever the interest is paid on the debenture, that is the fixed cost for the company, because the interest amount is always fixed for an annually it is fixed. So the company will increase the debenture in their capital structure. Parallelly, the interest will also increase. And how it is affecting the equity shareholders' profit and the earning per share. With the help of the leverage, we can evaluate, is it favorable for the company to increase the debenture or to increase the fixed cost in their capital structure, in their operating leverage or not? That's all from my side. Thank you so much. In next slide, we will see about the types of the leverage and implications of that.